Hello everyone. How are you all doing today? I actually have something very special to share with you today. I always have something very special to share with you, but this was something that was unexpected. It came in the mail today. Look at this box. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh. I picked it up because it had come in my husband had already gotten it when we got home, and went to pick it up, and I was like, heavy. So anyway, it says that it came from my bestest sister-in-law ever, and it had my name, and underneath my name it said Happy Mail. I love it. So she sent me some Happy Mail in this huge box. Do you have any idea what it might be? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you, and let's go ahead and get it open. She said I had to open it tonight. I don't know if you've ever read the book by Gary Chapman. He wrote it like in 1992, and they've had lots of other, versions of it come out since then, but it's titled The 5 Love Languages. And I do have to say that Stephanie's love language is definitely gift giving. That is her way of showing how much she loves me, and I hope she knows how much I love her back. Oh, there's a card. Oh boy. It says it's holiday time. Oh boy. Happiest of happy mails to you. I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. Here is a custom holiday happy mail advent box just for you. Exclamation point with a heart. May it bring you joy, more sewing projects on your backlog list of projects. Who doesn't have that? And help support additional content on your channel. The packages are numbered in an opening order. I hope you enjoy opening each item. And then it says, hope you get your fill of every good thing this season brings. Happy holidays. Love, Stephanie, her husband, my brother-in-law, and the girls. I'm not going to say their names just to keep them There's little pieces of fabric in purple and blue. Oh my goodness. She used it like confetti. There's all these little triangle pieces in here. Here's another one in pink. So I have to show you the box. Let me see how I can do this. There's all these boxes and little packages wrapped up in this gold paper. And of course it's in purple, my favorite color. There's more confetti. So I guess like this one says 1 on the back. They're all numbered. I absolutely love this happy mail. This was so sweet of her, you guys. Look. Stephanie, thank you. Thank you to you and the family. This is gonna be fun. Unboxing for you guys and for me. I have no idea what's in here. I just know that it's quilty goodness So I had more quilty goodness to share with you. I don't know where to put the box. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to figure out how many's in there so that I can figure out how to do an unboxing for you. Probably just do one each day when it's time. I'm at a loss for words. I don't even know what to say. If you have somebody in your life, whether it's your spouse, your daughter, your son, your aunt, your uncle, a bestest sister-in-law, or a brother-in-law, or a niece or a nephew, cousins, or if you happen to have friends that you call family, make sure you tell them that you love them. Yeah, so Stephanie, I love you. Thank you. That was so sweet. I can't wait to share this haul with you. So, not sure what else to say at this moment in time, but because I'm at a loss for words. Yeah, this was so sweet. So, all right, we'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.